When the stars light up your eyes, I see the universe deepen in your smile. Every shadow fades and time stands still. In this moment, it's just you and me, wrapped in a dream where the world is free. Whispers in the moonlight, hearts intertwined, lost in the magic, our souls combined. Every beat of my heart sings your name. In this dance of love, we're forever the same. So hold me close, let the world fade away. In your arms is where I long to stay. Through the fields of wildflowers we roam. With every gentle breeze I feel at home. Your laughter echoes like a sweet refrain. With you, my darling, I'll never feel pain. We'll write our story in the softest embrace. Every touch ignites a spark, a warm trace. Whispers in the moonlight, hearts intertwined, lost in the magic, our souls combined. Every beat of my heart sings your name. In this dance of love, we're forever the same. So hold me close, let the world fade away. In your arms is where I long to stay. Time can't measure the depth of our dreams. In this love so pure, nothing's as it seems. With each passing moment, I believe it's true. A love like ours will always renew. Through stormy nights and sunny days, together we'll wander forever ablaze. As the dawn kisses the night goodbye, I'll treasure your warmth, never asking why. In the tapestry of life, you're my favorite thread. With you, every challenge feels easier to tread. Let's build a future hand in hand. In this beautiful journey, together we'll stand. Whispers in the moonlight, hearts intertwined, lost in the magic, our souls combined. Every beat of my heart sings your name. In this dance of love, we're forever the same. So hold me close, let the world fade away. In your arms is where I long to stay. So here's my promise, my heart and your care. In this life and the next, I'll always be there. With whispers in the moonlight, let love be our guide. Forever and always with you by my side. In this timeless romance, our spirits will soar. With every sweet whisper, I'll love you more. Midnight city neon glow, heartbeats racing, ready to go. The world's a canvas painted bright. We're dancing shadows lost in the night. Every heartbeat's a countdown, feel of the magic spinning around. We'll chase the stars, let go of the past, and this electric moment will make it last. So grab my hand, let's break away. No regrets in this wild ballet. We'll write our story page by page. With every laugh we'll set the stage. We're living in electric dreams, chasing the fire, bursting at the seams. With every whisper, every scream, we're unstoppable, we're a dream team. Feel the rhythm, let it ignite. Together we'll shine, shine so bright. In this moment we'll arrive. Electric dreams, we will thrive. Music's pumping, hearts align. In the crowd, you're forever mine. Lost in the sound, we'll take the lead. This love's a wildfire, it's all we need. We'll dance through shadows, light the way. In the chaos, we'll always stay. With every glance, the spark ignites. We're the champions of these nights. So grab my hand, let's break away. No regrets in this wild ballet. We'll write our story page by page. With every laugh, we'll set the stage. We're living in electric dreams, chasing the fire, bursting at the seams. With every whisper, every scream, we're unstoppable, we're a dream team. Feel the rhythm, let it ignite. Together we'll shine, shine so bright. In this moment we're all alive. Electric dreams, we will thrive. World gets heavy and shadows fall. We'll rise together, we'll never stall. With every heartbeat we're breaking through. This is our anthem, me and you. So let's light the night with colors so bold. With every story together we'll unfold. No limits here, just endless skies. In this electric love we'll always rise. rise. We're living in electric dreams, chasing the fire, pressing at the seams. With every whisper, every scream, we're unstoppable, we're a dream team. Feel the rhythm, let it ignite. Together we'll shine, shine so bright. In this moment we're alive. Electric dreams, we will thrive. So here we are, under the stars. This love's a journey, it's written in the bars. With every heartbeat we'll break the night. In electric dreams, everything feels right. Forever we'll dance, forever we'll glow. In this electric world, we'll let it flow. We're living in electric dreams, together forever, or so it seems.
When the sun dips low and the stars ignite, I find my way to you, guided by the night. In the hush of the evening, with the world asleep, you pull me closer, secrets we keep. When the sun dips low and the stars ignite, I find my way to you, guided by the night. In the hush of the evening, with the world asleep, you pull me closer, secrets we keep. With every heartbeat, I feel the spark. In this dance of shadows, you light up the dark. Your laughter is a melody that fills the air. And the garden of moments, love blossoms there. So take my hand, let's lose track of time. In the rhythm of our hearts, everything feels sublime. With every whispered promise, we'll break down the walls. In the timeless embrace, love bondlessly calls. In your eyes, I see the stars align. The universe of dreams, forever you'll be mine. Through every whispered promise, we'll break down the walls. In this timeless embrace, love endlessly calls. In your eyes, I find my way home. With you by my side, I'll never be alone. In this beautiful journey, we'll write our own song. In your eyes, my love is where I belong. Every moment with you is a treasure to hold. In the stories we weave, our love unfolds. Through laughter and tears, we're dancing through life. In the chaos and calm, you're my heart's delight. With every sunrise, a new chapter starts, painting our canvas with the colors of our hearts. In the quiet whispers, in the softest sighs, I find my forever in the depths of your eyes. So take my hand, let's lose track of time. In the rhythm of our hearts, everything feels sublime. With every whispered promise, we'll break down the walls. In the timeless embrace, love bondlessly calls. In your eyes, I see the stars align. The universe of dreams, forever you'll be mine. Through every whispered promise, we'll break down the walls. In this timeless embrace, love endlessly calls. In your eyes, I find my way home. With you by my side, I'll never be alone. In this beautiful journey, we'll write our own song. In your eyes, my love is where I belong. And when the night falls and the world fades away, we'll write our own story, let the moment sway. With every heartbeat, our love will ignite. In the soft glow of twilight, you make everything right. Through the laughter and silence, through every embrace, I see my reflection in your loving face. In the dance of forever, we're lost in the night. In the warmth of your love, everything feels right. In your eyes, I see the stars align. The universe of dreams, forever you'll be mine. Through every whispered promise, we'll break down the walls. In this timeless embrace, love endlessly calls. In your eyes, I find my way home. With you by my side, I'll never be alone. In this beautiful journey, we'll write our own song. In your eyes, my love is where I belong. So here's to the moments, to the love that we share. In the tapestry of life, I'll always find you there. With every breath, with every sigh. In your eyes, my darling, is where our love lies. In your eyes, my love, forever will be. In the story of us, you're my everything.
ready to go. The world's a canvas painted bright. We're dancing shadows lost in the night. Every heart beats a countdown. Feel of the magic spinning around. We'll chase the stars, let go of the past, and this electric moment will make it last. So grab my hand, let's break away. No regrets in this wild ballet. We'll write our story page by page. With every laugh we'll set the stage. We're living in electric dreams, chasing the fire, bursting at the seams. With every whisper, every scream, we're unstoppable, we're a dream team. Feel the rhythm, let it ignite. Together we'll shine, shine so bright. In this moment we'll arrive. Electric dreams, we will thrive. Music's pumping, hearts align. In the crowd, you're forever mine. Lost in the sound, we'll take the lead. This love's a wildfire, it's all we need. We'll dance through shadows, light the way. In the chaos, we'll always stay. With every glance, the spark ignites. We're the champions of these nights. So grab my hand, let's break away. No regrets in this wild ballet. We'll write our story page by page. With every laugh, we'll set the stage. We're living in electric dreams, chasing the fire, bursting at the seams. With every whisper, every scream, we're on